Guys, so today we have OnePlus Bullets Wireless C2 with us, and I'm going to review it in case you want to buy this and get an overview of how good this product is. And you can also find the description to this device in the description below. And let's get started. So I like this device a lot. So previously I also have the previous generation of this device, specifically the Z1 with us, or just 3. So it just recently broke down, and so I had to buy this new one. So even I think it ran around 4 years and it was good. I had a good experience with it. And also I previously have tried JBL earphones, and I think that was too good, but like in a very loudy environment you can't hear the music so well. So about the specs and all, so it has a 12.4 drivers, so you can expect a very deep bass, and the trebles and mids are also very good. In my experience it was a very good, the noise cancellation was very good, and it has also a fast charging with it. So using this 60-watt charger or OnePlus certified chargers, you can charge the device in around 10 minutes. This is given in the side. So charge 70% can be charged in around 10 minutes, so you can expect running time or music time of 20 hours. So it also has this IPv5 water resistance, so you can use it while working out and all. And the clearness and the loudness is very good. So even while traveling in bus or metro, you can hear the music well. And the total hours of listening the music is around 30 hours. It can be little less in this practical scenarios. And noise cancellation is very good, and it's very comfortable to use all day round, so it won't hurt the ears so much. But still it is like people should use it moderately. And about this fast charging, so I think it only works with OnePlus chargers. With slow chargers it will take a little more time, and the total time for charging is I think around 5 hours. I haven't charged it like completely, like I have charged it completely to 100%, but I'm not sure how much time it completely takes. So while charging it blinks with the red color, and when it is fully charged it turns to white. And about the other features, so it has this music up and down, the volume up and down, music change to up and down, receiving the calls. You can receive the calls with it while paired to the device with your phone, and you can expect 16 hours of talk time with it, and total of 80 hours of standby. With the 12.4 drivers, I think it is better than JBL. So I have previously used it, and I think I found it better than that. And about this loud and clearness, I think even with that standards, it might be little better than JBL, if not that much. And you can always like depend on this. So basically my main use case was while traveling in bus, when the outside noise was too much to you can't hear the inside music and all. But with this it's better little close to headphones, which completely blocks out the outside noise. So all the specs you can read on the site. It has around 220 mAh battery. It's provided with this type C charger, so it's nice to have. 50 in around it can give you around 30 hours of playback with 50% of volume. That is mentioned in the site. You can pick up calls and all, IPv5 resistant. In the box you can find this user guide, safety and warranty card, one this device, and some silicone ear tips. So this one is the middle size. You will also get the small and large size in case one of them get lost. And the warranty is for I think around 1 year. So if anything happens to this device, like with a manufacturing defect or anything, you can get it replaced in around 1 year. The latency is also low, it is 94 ms. So about other features, there's a quick pair feature. You can get it paired to your mobile device or any other device very quickly. So that was mostly all of this quick review of this device. So if you want to buy it, you can find out the link to this device in the description below. Okay. Have a nice day, and please do like, subscribe, and share this. Thank you.